Oh my god, I cannot believe it's been more than 15 days when I created a last makeup look. As you guys can see, this look is inspired by this beautiful jewelry and the blouse that I'm wearing. Now, let's create this gorgeous look together, shall we? I'm gonna start with my favorite moisturizer from Static Skin. Look at that, how much I've used. I've literally abused this moisturizer. This is the most hydrating water-based moisturizer. I love this moisturizer to prep my face. Primer, I'm using e.l.f. Power Grip. This primer helps your makeup to last longer. I'm using my favorite Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. You guys, I just wanted to quickly share something. Note that it's not sponsored. As I believe in planet astrology and everything, I just recently did my birth chart analysis by super talented Rupa Ayurveda. And the amount of things that has already happened to me, he told me without me sharing. I was literally shocked. To be honest, I was going through such a difficult time in my life, and the way he helped me analyze things is I will be forever grateful for. He literally walked me through my strengths and weaknesses and told me what I need to do and what I need to avoid for such difficult times. I literally found the clarity that I needed from this reading. It helped me confirm if I'm on right path and doing right things. We even discussed about my upcoming milestones and how my chart reading will affect my relationship, health, careers, and things like that. And if you're anything like me and you would like to read a chart, I would recommend only one person, which is Rupa Ayurveda. I'm also tagging him in the caption below, so make sure to check him out. Moving on with the concealer, you guys already know how much I love Bare Mineral Concealer. So they recently came out with Complex and Rescue Brightening Concealer, which also has SPF in it. I'm using a brush. It has such a good coverage and how bright it is. Did I just encounter my new favorite concealer for 2023? I'm gonna use this brightening pressed powder from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. This is a single palette she recently came out with, and you guys need to try this. Now I'm using this contour palette, which is in powder form from Kat Von D. I'm using this powder blush from Jaclyn Cosmetics in shade Love Poem. If you still haven't tried this blush out, it's already 2023 and what are you doing? For the eyebrows, one and only product that I have is from Kylie Cosmetics, so yeah. For the eyeshadow base, I'm using Gerard Cosmetics Black Canvas. I'm going one shade lighter because it just helps the color to pop out nice and bright. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Be Perfect Cosmetics Interstellar palette. Look at the colors that they have in this palette. I'm going to use this dark green shade called Meteor and make a line here right on my crease line. Just a halfway like that. Looks something like this. Now I'm just blending this out with a clean blending brush. Now I'm just gonna add the same color to make it a little bit more intense. This is how it's looking after blending it for quite some time and adding the same color again and again. And I'm just cleaning the sharp edges by using the same base I used to prep my eye. Now I'm gonna add this yellow shade just like that. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna make a smoke eyeliner using the same green color and slowly drag the same color on my lower lash line. Now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit darker shade right on top of it, making a very thin line. Now I'm gonna add this gel liner from ColourPop Cosmetics right here in my waterline. Add a yellow eyeshadow right here. Now I'm just adding this mascara Better Than Sex from Too Faced. Now I'm gonna add my favorite lashes from Velour in Style Can't Be Tamed. You guys, I've said it a million times, this lash is everything. Now for the lip, I'm gonna use my favorite lip liner from ColourPop Cosmetics in shade BFF3. No matter what liquid lipstick I use, I make sure to use this lip liner from ColourPop Cosmetics. Blend it with a finger. Now again, I'm gonna add this lip liner from ColourPop Cosmetics in shade Dial Up. This is how it's looking. Now I'm gonna add a clear gloss right on top of it from Morphe. And that's it for the look, you guys. Now I'm gonna go do my hair, put some jewelry on, and then be back. And that's it, you guys. Look at that jewelry. This jewelry is giving. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed creating it. Now you know the drill. Time to rate this look 1 out of 10 in the comment section below.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta
Cause I
struggle
don't
through
give
the
a fuck
sewer.
what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go